In a peaceful countryside, there lived a greedy dog named Max. Max was known far and wide for his insatiable appetite and his desire for more, always wanting to have the biggest share of everything. One day, as Max roamed the village, he stumbled upon a tempting feast at the local marketplace. The aroma of delicious treats filled the air, drawing Max in like a magnet. The market vendors were setting up their stalls, displaying an array of mouth-watering treats from juicy bones to savory scraps. Unable to resist the allure of the feast, Max decided to take matters into his own paws. He slyly grabbed a large bone and sprinted away, convinced he had outsmarted the vendors and would enjoy the feast all to himself. With the stolen bone tightly clenched in his jaws, Max headed towards a quiet corner to relish his ill-gotten gains. As he approached a calm pond, he couldn't help but glance into the water. To his surprise, he saw another dog staring back at him, only it was his own reflection. Thinking that there was another dog with an even bigger bone, Max's greed got the better of him. Determined to claim the apparent treasure, he barked fiercely, hoping to scare the other dog away. In doing so, he opened his mouth, and the stolen bone fell into the pond with a splash. Max was left with nothing but ripples in the water and an empty mouth. The reflection disappeared, leaving Max to realize the consequences of his greed. He went home hungry and with a valuable lesson learned. Greed can lead to losing what you already have. And so the tale of Max, the greedy dog, spread across the village, reminding everyone, especially the little ones, that sharing and appreciating what you have is far more satisfying than chasing after more than you can